This is an overview of the Bearmach rear crossmember, not to be confused with BritPart, because BritPart's supposed to be different than Bearmach. So Bearmach's supposed to be the better rear crossmember, and I haven't been able to find any information on the crossmember from Bearmach. So here's a little in-depth video on the Bearmach. So first thing is we have 6-inch outriggers, 6-inch extensions already on. It comes with a brace in the middle to keep the frame in line during shipping and manufacturing. But this is also for a station wagon, not for a military or anything. So the extensions are 3mm, roughly 3mm. Yep, they're 3mm thick on all three sides. The end pieces here, they're also 3mm, and so is that end. And then I see a seam right here. It looks like they welded together with the center section, which comes down to this point. And I'll get closer shots here. The tabs are roughly 4mm. These tabs are 4mm thick, and it is a station wagon, but it does come with the little tabs here. Has the hole for your PTO, which you can't use anyways in the station wagon. Here, so let's flip it over. So the back side of it seems to have double plate on the bottom. Has all the bracing for the hitch. And the metal back here is this piece here is 2.3, but the top, 2.4mm up here in the top. This top plate, the bottom plate is 2.4, but it's welded in with another piece of plate. It has a back brace. And then it has the mounts here, since it's a station wagon. It has the mounts for the gas tank. It also has these weld nuts, but I'm not sure what those are for. But it looks to be pretty good shape and pretty solid. So I'll grab the camera and bring you down closer. Okay, now we're down here closer. You can see it's got the holes here for your rear handle. It sits right here. Come down. Here's your what they call is a cat flap, but that's on 2-door 109 Land Rovers or 88s. They all have the cat flap there. So it comes with this tab, so if you ever wanted to do that to your station wagon, you could. But the plates are in, and I did notice that this is different. See, since mine's an early chassis, all my tabs look like this, like it's welded down here along the sides and the bottom. So then later on, they changed it to an L bracket that's welded in from back here. So I guess so when you put your trailer hitch on, it lays flat, where on the earlier ones there were spacers on these bolts, so you could step it off away from there. So that's there. Some other holes. Again, your PTO is there. That's your power takeoff hole. So wherever you have here, so you can run your power tools and things like that with it. So over here, it looks like it has the hole for the trailer lights. I think this is for trailer lights. Your plug-in for if you have a trailer hitch here. So that hole's there. And again, 2 more holes on this, 4 more holes for your handle for this side. So this is, again, this is the Bearmach, not a BritPart, which we know how bad BritParts are. Okay, let me flip it over. Let's take another look at the other side. Okay, I got it flipped over. Now over here, there's a back brace over onto the side. I'm gonna see how thick that metal is. It's roughly 2.5 millimeter thick, this part. and this end's open, so this plate helps keep the end in shape. Here's the back hole again for, I think, the trailer hitch lights. And right here, there's the back bracing. It's similar to the original, the way that it is on mine. So this bracing looks correct. This double plate, I'm not sure if that's correct, how thick that's supposed to be, but it kind of looks correct though, with the way mine is. But most of mine's missing. But anyways, so there, it's fully welded to the extensions. Welds they look pretty nice, and oh, can't see down in there, but the welds look pretty good down in there. And now we got a same brace over here too. So, and they shipped it great because there's not even a dent, a ding, or scratch anywhere on it. So another thing I thought was kind of weird, the thing that I thought was weird was when these plates came, the extensions, it doesn't come with the bottom plate. I don't know why. I even asked Bearmach why doesn't it come with it, and they said that it doesn't come with it. They didn't give me any explanation. And I thought maybe it was missing the part or anything, and they said no, it doesn't come with it. So when we go to install it, I guess we'll see what we're supposed to do there. Probably I have plate I can put in there, but we'll see how it fits in. So the extensions here, they say they're 6-inch extensions, but they're actually about 9 inches coming off the side. So they're actually 9 inches from the back to there. So another thing is the chassis itself is 3 inches wide, the thickness that this is going to be going on to, and this is almost exactly 3 inches. So I have a feeling it's just going to fit right down inside here, the piece of the chassis. So there's a good look at it. It's roughly about 20 pounds, the whole piece. So it's a pretty good heavy duty rear cross member, because I've heard some horror stories of Bearmachs, and it's not as nice, but nobody has any reviews of the Bearmach. So here's the Bearmach one for you to look and know. And it looks like it does have some type of paint on it. It's not a primer. Definitely some type of paint that might hold up for a little while. So we'll see. Alrighty. Oh, there's all my other Land Rover pieces and parts to the truck. Alrighty, thanks. Bye-bye.